show you how to make the Wacky cake. This is in my Sweets, Treats, and Yummy Eats cookbook on page 50. It's called Frannie Banana's Wacky Cake. So, first off is we've got 1.5 cups of flour. And we're going to add to that 1 cup of sugar. And then we've got 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And that's all going to go in there. And we're going to just give this a mix. Now, you can mix this up in the pan that you plan to bake it in. That's perfectly fine. You can do that. I don't. I just mix it all together in a bowl. Get that all mixed real good. There we go. Had them little bumps. Sometimes when you spin your whisk, it takes care of those little bumps. Alright, so I'm just going to make a little wells, 3 little spots there. Okay? And to the first one, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of oil. It's going to mix into the next one. That's alright. And then I'm also going to add, oh my goodness. And to another well, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vinegar. That's going to go in that well. And then the other one, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. This cake is a Depression era cake, if you don't know. And they put this together back in the Depression days when eggs, milk, and butter weren't readily available. And it really does turn out fantastic. So with that, I need 1 cup of water. Now you're just going to take the water and you're just going to pour it all over all of it. And then we are going to mix this together really good. This makes a wonderful, wonderful cake. Okay. So with that, you're going to get an 8 by 8 baking pan. And we're just going to dump this all in there. Make sure you spray your cake pan so it doesn't stick. And if you're going to mix it in your cake pan, just make sure you grease it first. Okay, so we'll spread this around. And this makes a lovely little cake. Okay, we got it all spread around. Now we're going to take, and this cake is going to bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And when it's done, I'll bring it back and show you just how nice it turns out. Hello friends, my cake is done. It turned out beautiful, absolutely. While it was baking, I whipped my frosting together for it, so we're going to frost it. And the last time I did this, they said, oh, cut into it, we want to see it, so we're going to cut into it. So I had to let it cool completely. Nothing fancy, just frost it nice. Make sure it's all covered. That's it. All right, let me get a plate. And a knife and my little spatula. Okay. And my phone's ringing. I hear that music and I just want to dance. Let's get this here. There we have it. Isn't that gorgeous? Nice and moist. You can it's beautiful. I hope you guys give it a try, and I'll put my link to my chocolate frosting in the video as well, so you can use that to frost it. Wonderful. There you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.